Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this convertible floor effect in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. This convertible floor, and you can do one more, not one more, lots of thing in this. So you can, it's scaling and rotating and changing color. You can change the mesh if you want instead of this changing color, and you can do almost anything to these tiles whose are affecting. So you can do, and this is the effect here. This is the emitter. This is single effect emitter, although it has two emitter. There's a off, and in this emitter I have something like this R&D. So you can download this whole project with including these emitters from my Patreon. So I have something like this. So these were just R&D, but this is my final that I am making the tutorial of. So I'm going to tell you this from scratch. So new folder, test, and right click Niagara System Fountain and call it test. Okay, so you have this particle system. First I need a grid of the particles, so I'll delete these forces